What is black noise?
Black noise?
Yeah.
Black noise is something that Bowie's got very interested in.
Intriguing.
Well, no, it's one facet of black noise is that everything, like a glass, if an opera singer hits a particular note, the vibrations are out of the metabolism of the glass and it cracks it. Yeah. So black noise is the register within which you can crack a city or people. Or, it's a new controlled bomb. It's a noise bomb, in fact, which can destroy.
Is it a real thing? I mean, is it something that's actually somebody's experimenting with?
It was invented in France.
Could a tyrant use it to...
Well, until last year, you could buy the patent for it in the French patent office for about the equivalent of $3-4.
It's concentrated.
Depends how much money you put into it. I mean, a small one could probably kill about half the people here, but a big one could destroy cities or even more.
This is a weird idea.
Don't look at that's not my idea.
No. Let's not give the instructions on how to do it. Is it a real thing? Is it something that's actually somebody's experimenting with?
In France.
Could a tyrant use it? Let's not give the instructions on how to do it. Can you recommend a good book to your fans? A good book?
Well, this week? Apart from yours?
Do I have a book out?
Yeah. Oh, no, I walked into that.
No, I wondered if the last thing I read you said the Kerouac was important to you. That's a long time back.
Well, I didn't say I'm reading Machiavelli.
You're reading Machiavelli?
No. Black noise is the register within which you can crack a city or people. It's a new controlled bomb. It's a noise bomb.
You know, somewhere someone is writing a burning paper at the university called something like Jagger and Bowie, Prophets of the Pluralistic Society. And, you know, there's different. You read the Prophets of Doom or something. You read this stuff. Do you want to be understood? You know what I mean?
absolutely nothing to understand.
Was
That's,
concerned with famine in the world and so on, and prophecies of the world running out of food and stuff like that.
Storyteller. A small one could probably kill about half the people, yeah, but a big one could destroy a city, or even more. I mean,
it's a weird idea.
Don't look at. It's not my idea.
No.
So,
Well, let's not give the instructions on how to do it.